Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. In today's video, we are solving a very common problem. Your soundbar is not connected to Bluetooth, so don't worry, I will show you the easiest way to fix it step by step. So let's get started. So firstly, let's check the basics. It might sound simple, but sometimes it's the small things. Okay, so step one is, make sure your soundbar is in Bluetooth mode. So usually there is a BT or a Bluetooth button on your remote or soundbar itself. You can see here's my Bluetooth button and you can see it's on now. So press it and check if it says Bluetooth mode on or start blinking. My Bluetooth mode is on now. Now step 2 is, now check your phone, TV or laptop, is Bluetooth turned on there? If not, then turn it on. And you can see my Bluetooth is on here. The step 3 is, keep your soundbar and your device close within 1 meter distance, because sometimes distance can make effect pairing. And the step 4 is, restart both your soundbar and your device. So sometimes a quick reboot solves the issue. And the step 5 is, unpair your old devices. If your soundbar was already connected to another devices like your phone or TV, so first disconnect that and then pair it again. Now the step 6 is, I am connecting to my phone, so I will go to Bluetooth settings. You can see and search your device name. Here you can see device name. Just forget the device and forget this. So your pairing is unsuccessful, it will show. Now you can refresh your Bluetooth and just try to connect again. And you can see my soundbar is blinking, means my Bluetooth is on, and now I have find my Bluetooth device also, and you can see it is connected. So this simple and easy trick still doesn't work, so try resetting the soundbar. Each brand has a different reset button. Usually you have to press and hold the power plus volume down button together for 5 to 10 seconds, or check the manual for your model. And after reset, try pairing again from the beginning, guys. Okay, and make sure your soundbar is not in auxiliary mode or USB mode or optical mode. Okay guys, if your phone is already connected to other Bluetooth speakers or earbuds, then disconnect them first. Some older devices may not support new Bluetooth versions, so try with another phone if needed. And that's it, your soundbar should now be connected via Bluetooth. If it helped you, so don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this video with someone facing the same problem. Got more tech troubles? Comment below and I will help you out. So don't forget to subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel for more easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.